away!
Hi! Nope, here we go.
Whee! I'm going to
No, come on.
Drain! I'm draining! You have to come and save me!
Here.
Oh, hey. I'm draining! I'm draining!
Ooh, she's gonna get you with her leg.
You have to save me! Save me! Stop! What do you have to drain this time? I did. And I got out. Don't watch out!
Annie, what are you doing?
Zucchini. Cucumbers. Squash.
Show us the squash, Jonesy. Pull the leaves back.
There's one maybe we could pick tomorrow instead. There's one it's almost long enough for us to pick. There's still some flowers though. We're gonna make some. But it's taking a while. There's a cucumber already done. There's a little one that's growing. We put the out to scare the strawberries, and these are tomatoes. Those
We
are
want to
tomatoes.
scare the strawberries?
Well, the birds are getting the strawberries, so we put the owl there to scare the birds away. So, let me get out of the garden to go over there. We have red corn going. Daddy picked one, but it wasn't done. So, it's okay, because we have a lot more. What's this, Daddy? What?
Peppers.
This is pepper. This is basil. That's cilantro. I got me Mama some new flowers for her, and since we used to have flowers there, except they disappeared, so I got us some new ones. Over here is pea.
The peas are kind of dried up, aren't they?